Don't grip it hard, it requires finesse. Bobby, what's in your mouth?
Oh my goodness! How does fuck me up? And then make me want to touch it and take myself, and that's no good. Oh no, no, this is very, very, very bad. It makes me huge, and now I have to go and masturbate. Oh my goodness! How does fuck me up? And then make me want to touch it and take myself, and that's no good. Oh no, no, this is very.
I'm gonna scare the pants off those kids, I tell you what.
Oh, sorry. I gotta go to my youth fellowship meeting. We're going to deliver a hot meal to all...
Luann, Halloween is just good, clean fun. It's got nothing to do with the devil. Now, I don't want to hear any more of your foolishness.
Oh.
So, you told him about the fun, and he still thinks Halloween is just for the druids and the candy corn.
Uh-huh. And you're stupid, 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 and you're stupid.
You know, I used to have a laugh that went along with this. Try it with me, son.
Scary?
Shut up, Bill.
Oh no! He's eating the baby! Stop him, honey!
We can't. It's against the law.
Have you... Luann took Bobby to Junie Harper's house for an anti-Halloween church party.
I came very close to spitting out beer. You know, I'm suddenly reminded of a Bible quote. Do others.
I'm scared, Luann. I can't help you, Bobby, but I know who can. This is Junie Harper.
Oh, mercy, what have I done?